Did you notice the sentiment score spiking to plus 0.76? That's a notable jump from our historical baseline, indicating a strong positive shift in blockchain sentiment. Coupled with a momentum of plus 0.34, this suggests that the community's optimism is building, potentially paving the way for new trends or developments. Our API delivers deep insights by analyzing sentiment across various semantic clusters, providing you with a nuanced understanding of current blockchain discussions. Imagine using this data to enhance your trading algorithms or refine your investment strategies, allowing you to align your decisions with the prevailing sentiment. For more technical details and to get started, check out pulsebitlojnterprise.com/docs. This is your chance to leverage sentiment data effectively. Don't miss out.